Hi, friends. So today, Tanta is reading you a book, a picture book about your ABCs. That's what we're going to read about today. And this ABC book is all about animals. All kinds of animals are in here. And the title of this book is called Animal Action. Animal Action. So we have to look and see what the animals are going to teach us about our ABCs. And do you see these, friends? They are all through this book. I looked through this book already. And do you see this paper? I have this paper. When I opened this book, this paper was here and it was coming out a little bit. So I took the whole thing out. But look what's inside of it. It's all the friends that's going to be in our book that's going to help us see what the animals want to teach us all about the ABCs. So I took that out. Let's see. Animal Action ABC. We see some animals, don't we? What is that? Tanta doesn't know what that is. But I do know this is a frog. Do you remember our frog book? What is this? Okay, this says this is a red-eyed tree frog. And on the front cover is a what? A cheetah. And this one, it says, is a slender loris. A slender loris. Okay, that's what that is. A for arch. Arch your back and stretch your limbs. Your body forms a tail, diving deep into the sea just like a humpback whale. Let me move this light. Okay. B, balance. Balance gracefully on one leg till you become a crane. Then begin a joyful dance, flapping your wings again and again. Uh-oh. C, charge. Charge silently toward your prey in a sneak attack. But jaguars can be stalked as well. Be sure to watch your back. D, drink. Drink bent over like a giraffe to give the water a lick. Spread your legs and flex your neck. It's quite an amazing trick. E, eat. Eat just like a panda does, grasping with your paws the many tasty fresh green stalks you grind between your jaws. And what is she eating? She is eating celery. That panda is eating leafy bark, which is called bamboo. And she's got leaves on her celery. F, flap. Flap your outstretched arms like wings. Beat them like a macaw. Flying with your flock by day to a cliff of clay you saw. G, growl. Growl throughout the forest like a grizzly bear. Next you'll sniff, then listen for sounds to learn who else is there. H, howl. Howl like a wolf pup to your sister or brother. Soon the whole pack will join in, singing to one another. I, inflate. Inflate like a frigate bird. Your throat's a red balloon. Drum your back upon this pouch and make a rhythmic tune. J. Jump. Jump like an impala, springing high into the air. You bound 5, 6, then 7 times, fleeing dangers everywhere. K. Kick. Kick like a kangaroo. You want to get your way, but soon you'll stop and save this fight until another day. L. Leap. Leap and march like penguins over snow and ice. You are birds that cannot fly, so company is nice. M. Remember, we had 2 words. It told us to leap, and it said march. N. Nap like a leopard, resting all the day. After sunset is the time when you will hunt and play. O. Open. Open your eyes to scan the forest. You can hide if you hold still, but close your eyes and just like magic, you're invisible. P. Peek. Peek like an orangutan, you're often very shy. Was that some sign of danger that you saw from way up high? Q. Quack. Quack loudly as you waddle and toddle like a duck. To find a pond in which to swim, you'll walk through sticky muck. R. Ride. Ride like a young gorilla balanced on mama's back. Even when you sleep, you cling. You really got the knack. S. Stretch. Stretch out every muscle and give a chirping call. When you want to hunt your prey, you'll sprint the fastest of all. T. Trumpet. Trumpet like an elephant, then shower with your trunk. You spray your back to wash it off with water you might have drunk. U. Unfold. Unfold your wings and get ready to fly while hanging by your toes in the dark to find some figs. Rely upon your nose. That's a bat. V. Vault. Vault like a cougar, landing soft on padded feet. You're a sneaky hunter You're a sneaky hunter no small creature wants to meet. W. Wrestle. Wrestle like 2 tigers grappling with each other, but soon you'll stop to stare and honor one another. X. Box. Box each other paw to paw, for now you're matching wits. But Arctic hares will really fight when warmer weather hits. Yawn. Y. Yawn like a hippo. Open your mouth up wide. Underwater you stay all day. This is where you hide. Z. Zap. Zap an insect with your tongue. Finally, you're a chameleon. You've acted your way from A to Z, so please come celebrate with me. Do you see how long that chameleon's tongue is? Oh, wow. That is really long, friends. And so now we've seen all of the pictures from A to Z with all of the animals, and there is only these few pictures that tells us about where the author got their pictures from. And this is our book, Animal Action ABC. And guys, I hope that you're going to watch this 400 times. 400 times, friends. That's a lot of watching, isn't it? That means that you're going to know all of your A's, all of your B's, all of your C's and D's and E's, F's and G's, H's and I's, J's and K's and L's and M's, N's and O's and P's, Q's and R's and S and T's, U's and V's and W and X's and Y's and Z's. All of your alphabets, friends. You will know them all, and you will also know an animal that begins with one of the 26 letters. So I hope that you will watch this storybook a lot of times, friends, because it was fun meeting animals that maybe you've never seen before, and you get to do some silly stretches that help your body in good ways that you can pretend to be some of these animals, and it's going to be good for a couple of reasons. You're learning your ABCs, you're learning the animals, and you get to exercise. So I hope, guys, that you will watch this 400 times. And I will see you in our next video. Until then, I want you to be good, and I want you to be kind. And I will see you the next time. Bye-bye.